Hello traders, welcome back to channel. We're back down market moves and trading opportunities with a precision and clarity. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Let's dive straight into the goal. We'll be tracking an interesting setup on this 4-hour chart. We can see the price testing key order block here and 2630. This area aligns with a potential continuation of ascending channel, our trendy breakout to the downside. Currently set top, the price has been consolidating near this resistance zone, indicating indecision. Next step, break below the trend line could lead to a move toward to the buy zone. The buy zone is lower and buy zone around 2500. Conversely, if the channel holds, we might see gold push higher toward 2070.21, which is a previous high and a critical resistance level. For those following the long-term bullish trend, keep an eye on volume and any reaction from the order block area as a confirmation. This aligns with what we discussed in previous videos. Let's go to the crude oil. Crude oil is moving to this movement. Here is a clear range bound structure on a 4-hour chart. We've identified a well-defined horizontal channel, and the price is approaching a key long entry marking green. Buy zone around 68.95 to 69 and 40, 69.40 with confluence with a Fibonacci retracement. Current scenario, if the price hold between this zone and show bullish momentum, we expect a potential putward to the upper resistance near 71.49, and the strategy, a solid breakout about 71.15 could trigger for upside. Will failure all this buy zone might lead to another retest for a lower boundary near 67.20. Crude oil has been moving in line with our previous analysis, and this setup presents a great risk-reward opportunity for patient traders. Finally, let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin, where things are heading up. This 4-hour chart, we are observing a bearish pattern with the price testing a key zone, testing a key order block and zone near 4,000. Current setup, the price has already formed lower highs and respecting bearish trend line and showing signs of possible continuation to the downside. The targets, if Bitcoin breaks below 19,500, we could see a move toward to the support zone near this support zone near 19,500 or even 18,000. Confirmation, watch for reaction candles or a peak on selling volume to confirm the bearish move. This setup aligns with a caution unlock we've maintained in recent videos and is unfolding as expected. Gold and case highlights, gold and crude oil are showing promises setup with movements aligned with previous projection because bearish outlook remains intact with clear downside targets. If you find this insight valuable, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your trading community. Also, make sure you are subscribed and stay updated on this setup as they progress. Remember, this content is for educational and informational purpose only. It doesn't constitute a financial advice. Should always conduct your own analysis before enter any trades. Thank you for watching, traders. See you in the next video.